Hello everybody out there. Hope everyone is doing great. So today I'm making a French recipe which calls Gratin Dauphinois. So before we get started to the recipe, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and press the bell icon. So let's get started and cook with me in Cook and Kitchen. Okay guys, then first of all you have to take a large pan and potatoes sliced like this. If you want to slice a little bit thicker, that's fine, but not too much thick. And we have to put some milk, 1 glass, and if you want to use half cream milk, that's totally okay. I'm using full cream. 2 glasses, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 regular glasses of milk. I've got here 1 kg of potatoes. Now you turn on the heat and let it simmer. When it start to boiling, I will tell you the next step. So first of all you have to add half teaspoon of salt. You can add as your taste. Black pepper, less than half teaspoon, and a little bit of muscade powder. Little quantity because it's very strong in the aroma. Okay, now you will mix it well like this. I will give you all the ingredients and quantity in the description box, and you have to adjust spices as to your taste. Okay, mix it well and let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes until it gets a boil. Okay guys, so as you can see it's boiling now. Okay, one thing you have to take care of, its texture. Okay, this is something technical. You have to cook it until it's tender but not cooked too much. Okay, now it's boiling. Now we have to add a little bit of chicken powder, which comes in cubes also. I am putting almost 1.5 teaspoon of chicken powder. You can get this powder in cubes also from the market, of course. Okay, now mix it well and let it simmer for more 8 to 10 minutes. But please make sure your potatoes won't get into a puree like form. It has to be cooked but not too cooked. Okay, that's a little bit of technique here. So okay, let it cook on the high flame like this. Okay guys, so it's ready now, almost ready. Look at this, how it looks like. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to check its texture now. See, yes, it's tender. Look, it's tender, it's cooked, but it's not a form in puree, you know. Just you have to take care of the texture. Now we are going to take a dish and put these potatoes in the dish, and we have to put this dish in oven. So I'm going to show you how. Okay, as you can see, I've got a dish here. Now what you have to do is put the potatoes. We are going to layering. Okay, just potatoes, not the creamy sauce. We have to put it afterwards like this. Only potatoes. Look at its texture, it has to be like this. Now a pinch of muscade powder like this, and a pinch of black pepper powder. It depends on your taste. Okay, and most important, cream fresh like this. Okay, we have to make all the layers like this, same process. Potatoes, It's a French authentic recipe. Some people put cheese in it, but in the real recipe there is no element of cheese, so I'm not putting any cheese. If you want to put cheese, you can on the top layer, but I will not, because I am preparing an authentic gratin dauphinois, and it's, trust me, very, very delicious. You have to try this. Okay, again, muscade powder, just a little muscade, okay? It's very strong in aromas. A little bit of pepper, and again you have to put some cream fresh, cold cream on hot potatoes. Okay, now again, potatoes, we have left here with tiny chunks of potatoes and creamy sauce. Okay, you have to preheat your oven on 250 degrees and put this in your oven for 10 to 12 minutes until it gets a golden brown color on the top layer. And again, I'm telling you that if you want to add cheese on the top, you can add, but I am not putting any cheese because in an authentic recipe there is no cheese. But trust me, you have to try this. It is awesome. Okay, little bit of muscade again, and black pepper, fine, and again little bit of cheese, cream fresh like this. Okay, now I am going to put this in my oven for 10 to 12 minutes. I have preheated my oven on 250 degrees, and after that I will show you the final look. Okay, you have to cut it like this and take it off. Okay, it's a little bit of creamy and saucy because I like this way. If you make it more dry, you can. This is it. This is really very, very delicious. You have to try this, trust me. Okay guys, so here it goes. Please try my recipe and do give us a thumbs up if you like my video, and please take care of yourselves. Until then, goodbye.